What if I told you that some of the world's strongest companies are trading at their cheapest levels in years? And that I've found 7 stocks from beaten down tech giants to under $3 moonshots that could realistically 2, 5, even 10 over the next few years. Stay locked in, because today's list could change the direction of your entire portfolio. What you'll learn in this video: 7 high conviction stocks I'm personally buying in December 2025. Why these companies are temporarily discounted. What catalysts could explode their share prices in 2026 and beyond. Industry trends, AI adoption, retail turnarounds, beauty sector disruption, restaurant expansion to higher risk, high reward stocks under $3 that could 5 to 10 times, and the one big tech stock I believe will outperform the entire sector over the next 5 years. If you stay until the end, you'll walk away with more clarity, more conviction, and at least one stock idea you've never thought about before. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to Finance Flicks Hub, the place where we simplify the markets, break down real opportunities, and help everyday investors build real wealth. Today's video is huge. I'm revealing the 7 stocks I am buying aggressively right now in December 2025. These aren't random picks. These are companies with real fundamentals, real catalysts, and real upside based on fresh 2025 data. And trust me, some of these are trading at levels we may never see again. Let's get into it. 1. Salesforce CRM, around $232. Let's kick this off with a heavy hitter. Salesforce. The stock has been crushed down 33% this year alone. Why? Slow AI rollout with Agentforce, cautious enterprise spending, and investors losing patience. But here's what almost no one is talking about. Revenue has nearly doubled since 2020. Profits have skyrocketed. Forward PE is only 28. The cheapest in nearly a decade. Wall Street has a $324 median price target to 42% upside backed by 30 analysts. And the upcoming 2026 Agentforce push plus Google Workspace partnership could be a game changer. Salesforce is still the infrastructure of global sales, marketing, service, and commerce. This is a high-quality business trading at bargain 2020 prices. I see low 20% annual returns and realistic 2 to 3 potential in 5 years. I'm buying hard too. Amazon AMZN around $234. Next up, the empire itself. Amazon is coming off a powerful holiday surge and Q3 results that shocked Wall Street. $180 billion in quarterly revenue, up 12%. YoY margins dipped slightly due to massive investment, but these investments always pay off. AWS is reaccelerating thanks to AI. The advertising division is turning into a cash printing monster. Black Friday and Cyber Monday numbers are rumored to be insane. Here's the kicker. Amazon is cheaper now than at its 2021 peak, despite being a fundamentally stronger company. This is my 20% yearly compounder with upside to 25% plus if AWS continues to scale AI. If Amazon is the closest thing to a buy it, forget it. Check it in 2030 and smile investment. 3. Cheesecake Factory cake around $47. This is the sleeper pick almost nobody sees coming. Cheesecake Factory isn't just a restaurant, it's building a multi-brand national empire. North Italia expanding fast. Flower Child has potential for 700 plus locations. Margins improving quarter after quarter after quarter. 4.5-star consumer ratings across the brand family. Trading at only 14 trailing earnings and 11 forward. Analysts have trimmed short-term targets, but long-term fundamentals look incredible. This is a 27 to 33% compounder once Wall Street notices the expansion math. Cheesecake Factory today is what Chipotle looked like in its early scaling phase. 4. Nike NKE around $65. Nike stock has been in a 5-year freefall, but this is exactly why I'm buying. The entire collapse came down to one person, former CEO John Donahoe. His 100% direct-to-consumer experiment demolished wholesale relationships, and competitors filled the gap. Then came the turnaround. New CEO Elliott Hill is repairing the wholesale network. Revenue has flipped from negative to positive. Nike just raised its dividend for the 24th straight year. Inventory normalized, and margins are stabilizing. This is the best athletic brand in the world, trading at 2015 prices. You rarely get the chance to buy a dominant global icon during a leadership reset. This is a classic fallen angel with world-class DNA. 5. e.l.f. Beauty e.l.f. around $76. This stock refuses to slow down. e.l.f. Beauty is one of the fastest growing names in cosmetics, up nearly 250% in 5 years. Quarterly revenue up double digits. Viral marketing dominance. Acquisition of Rhode Hailey Bieber's brand, expanding into skin, fragrance, and premium collabs. Still only a $4.5 company in a $500 billion plus industry. Analysts trimmed price targets due to valuation concerns, but the business fundamentals remain spectacular. Margins are projected to expand again in 2026. This is still a potential 10 stock over the next decade. I've been in since $7 and I'm still adding. 6. TWO sub $3. Wildcards high risk, high reward. Of Fubo around $2.90. The Hulu plus live TV merger just closed, creating a powerful new streaming force backed by Disney. Yes, Disney now owns approximately 70% of the combined entity. Forecasts are mixed, but balance sheet is cleaning up profitability possible by 2026. Disney desperately needs a streaming rival to YouTube TV if they execute. This could be a 5 to 10 rocket. Be honest, company HNST around $2.72. This one shocked everyone. The company is now profitable, debt-free, sitting on $72 million net cash, guided for 4 to 6% revenue growth, projecting $27.30 EBITDA for 2025. Analysts slashed targets after earnings, but that gives long-term investors an opening. This stock is getting demolished by tax loss selling, not fundamentals. Re-ratings in early 2026 could send it flying. Another 5 to 10 possibility. 7. Adobe ADBE around $322. And the grand finale, Adobe, my single highest conviction big tech pick for the next 5 years. Here's why. Creative Cloud is a monopoly. Firefly AI is doing for images, video what ChatGPT did for text. Enterprise adoption is accelerating, margins are expanding, consensus price target $429, 34% upside. Short-term forecasts are bearish, but I see that as noise. Before earnings on December 11th, I put another $22,000 into Adobe last week, and I'm still adding if I could only own one big tech stock. Adobe is the winner. Outro, and there you have it, -7 stocks I'm buying aggressively right now. Some of these will look unbelievably cheap a few years from now. If you learned something today, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button, drop a comment, share this video, and make sure you resubscribe to Finance Flicks Hub so you never miss the next big opportunity. The next video is already in the works, and trust me, it's even bigger. Thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel, and as always, let's go make some money. Viewer question: which one of these 7 stocks do you think has the highest upside in 2026? Drop your answer in the comments, I read every single one.